Hello friend, this is Swapnil and welcome to Learn SAP ABAP. So in this session, we are going to see how to implement a customer exit for standard transaction. Okay. So what is a customer exit? So customer exits are nothing but the include in a custom namespace will be provided in the function module. So SAP create the customer exit for program, screen and menu. This exist do not contain any functionality, but we can add our own functionality into it. Okay, so there are two main transactions for implementing the customer exist, which are S mode and C mode. So S mode transaction we basically use to find what are the exist available in a package, and C mode transaction we use to implement the customer exist. Okay, so I have also created one separate video on enhancement framework in which I have explained everything regarding to user exist, customer exist, implicit enhancement and explicit enhancement. Okay, with some live examples. So you may click on the icon above and you may also find the link in the description. So please check this video also. So today we will see how to implement a customer exit for standard transaction. Okay, so let's go to the recipe. We will see it practically, and if you are the first time on my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming videos. Okay, so stay tuned till the end and keep watching Learn SAP app.
So, okay friends, so I'm in my SAP system. So today we will see how to implement the customer exit for standard transaction. Okay, so we'll show you the standard transaction for which we are going to implement the customer exit. The transaction is FI01. Okay, so this transaction basically we use to create the bank. Okay, but the standard SAP doesn't check for the bank account number is blank or not. Okay, while creating the bank. Okay, we show you one example here. So let's suppose I'm putting the country as India and bank as 123456 and press enter. Here I am giving the name as a ICICI bank. Region will give as a 13, city will give as a Mumbai, branch will give as a Chembur. Okay, and as you can see here the bank number field is there, right? But I'm not going to put anything in this bank number field. I will directly save the data. Okay, so standard SAP doesn't check for the bank account number is blank or not. Okay, while creating the blank. Okay, so let's suppose you are clicking on the save. So as you can see it is saving the bank detail. Okay, bank branch, and we can also find this entries inside the table BNK1 BNK. So the table, so in this table we can find entries created with the all the data. But as you can see here the bank account number is filled is blank. Okay, so now we have to make the validation. So before saving the bank detail with the showing message the bank number field is mandatory. Okay, or some another message. Okay, so we will implement our customer exist while storing the bank detail. Okay. Okay, so what is the first prerequisite? For a prerequisite, whenever we have to implement any customer exit, we should find a package for the transaction. Okay, so for that I'm going to the SC93. So here FI01, the transaction, click on display, double click on the program. Here inside the program, go to, and here object in a directory entity. Here you can find the package name, right? Just copy the package name, and now we have to find the what are the exist available for this package. Okay, so which is the transaction? The S mode is a transaction which will help us to find the exist available for this package. Okay, so now just click on the phone and on information system inside the package, put the package. Okay, so as you can see one exist is there, right? And click on the display. In the component you can find one function model exist available. Okay, double click on the function model exist, so you can find z include. Okay, in which we don't have any code. Okay, so we have to just implement this include, that means. Okay, with some message, and this function model you can see the importing parameters b and k and k and bk. So basically in this parameter we will retrieve the values whatever we have entered in this fi01 transaction. Okay, so let's implement this exit now. So implement the exist, we have a transaction called C mode. Okay, click on the C mode. So here will the customer exist bank, ANK bank. Okay, customer exit bank. So we have to create the project basically. Then I click on create. Here we give us the bank number, account number, validation. Okay, now click on the enhancement assignment. In this enhancement assignment, just save the local package. So in this assignment, we have to basically our exist. Okay, so what was our exist? SAP L bank. Okay, so this was the exist we found from the SMO transaction. Okay, just on the OK. So now double click on the component. So click on the component, you can find here function model exists. So double click on this function model exists, and you can find the Z include here it. And as we have already discussed, we have some importing parameter. Okay, so this parameter basically hold the value whatever we have entered in this FI01 transaction. Okay, so now go to this double click on this include. Okay, so now we have to basically implement this include. Okay, so as you can see in this importing parameter BNK, we have this bank account number field. Okay, so if you scroll down, you can find IBN KZLZ field. Okay, so you just copy this field. Okay, and here go to the source code. So here we will implement our logic. So if importing formula BNK field is initial. So what we are going to do is we will create a validation call. We are going to give the message please enter bank account number. Okay, type E in this sense exit message. Okay, sorry, E in this sense error message. Click and activate. Okay, so once you activate back. Okay, so now we have almost implemented our function model exist bank. So now inside in the main project you have to just click on here. Okay, so you have to just activate the project, so you can see the message as activation of project has been undone. Okay, so we have almost activated the project also. We have now almost activated our project also. Okay, so now we will test whether it's working fine or not. Okay, for that what we have to do is we will just go to the again our transaction called FI01. Okay, so now again we will try to creating some bank. Okay, so this was the first bank. Let's putting the number as a, let's suppose 214123. Okay, 214 as a bank is 1214123. Just copy this to that we can find out later on if it is created or not. Okay, so bank number, now I'm giving the bank as a SDFC bank. HDFC bank. Okay, region will 30, city will give us a Pune now, and branch will give the Hadapsar. Okay, so now see bank number is blank. Okay, so I will just try to save this thing now. Okay, so once I save, as you can see the error message is a please enter bank account number. Okay, because unless and until we are not putting any bank account number, it won't be allow us to save the data. Okay, so let's put some bank account number. So 508222100000 0000. Okay, this is our bank account number. Now we will try to save this. So now as you can see bank 234 was created message, right? Okay, so now we will verify whether it has created or not. See, bank 10 was created, so we'll copy this bank number and go to the SC11. We'll see if the bank is created or not. uh, SC11, this is okay. I'll give the name as okay. So now as you can see here the bank is created with the bank account number also. Okay, so we'll check the both the data. Sorry, So we'll get both the data. Okay, so this is our first records which we have created, which we had created for creating the customer more customer exist, and this is the second data we have created after creating the customer exist. Okay, so we will check once again for with the some another bank number. So go to the FI01 transaction. Okay, so we'll use then another bank answer which start with 3141256. Okay, enter. Here you give the Citibank now. Citibank region 30, US Mumbai, and branch will use as a Vashi. Okay, and again see the bank number is blank. I will try to save. No, it won't be allowed to save because we have created the customer more exist with the validation called bank account. Please enter the blank account number. Okay, so once we enter our bank account number, say we are putting some random bank account number. Okay, for our testing purpose, and click on this save. So now you can see the bank was created. The bank 3124 is created. Just copy this bank account number, and again we will go to our table VNK1, and we refresh the entry. So as you can see, the third record is also created with the Vashi branch, the bank account number Mumbai and front. Okay, so this is the easiest way we can implement a customer exit for any transaction. Okay, so what is the prerequisite for creating the customer exist? To you have to just find a package, which package is available for this particular transaction or the program. Then find the s with the s mode. We have to find out what are the exists available for inside for this package, and after the third step is to use the c mode in order to implement the customer exist. Okay, so these are the three basic things to in order to implement the customer exit. Okay, so I hope friend, so now you can easily implement the customer model exist if you have requirement for any transaction. Okay, so again I will request you please visit to my enhancement framework video also, in which I have almost covered all the scenario of user exist, customer exist, implicit enhancement and explicit enhancement. So you may find the link in the description. Okay, so please refer this video also.
If you like this video, then press the like button below. If you have any doubt, then write me in the comment section below. If you want to learn more about a app, then visit to my website www.learnasapapp.com. The link is also given in the description. And please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification about my next upcoming videos. Okay, so friends, bye, signing out.